What does acceleration really mean in terms of numbers? If I say 2 meters per second squared, what is that? Well, if you have a car that's going at 0, then a second later it's going at 2, then a second later it's going at 4 meters per second, and so on, it's rising 2 meters per second every second. That's 2 meters per second squared. That's what that acceleration means. Car B is going at 20 meters per second, then 17 meters per second, then 14 meters per second. It's dropping 3 every time. So the acceleration B is negative 3 meters per second squared. Car C is going up 0.4 meters per second every second, so we say meters per second squared. Car D, if the speed is 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second, the speed isn't changing. So we say its acceleration is 0. Or technically, its tangential acceleration is 0, because it could actually be turning. It could be going in a circle at 10 meters per second, but that's a different quantity from what we're calculating right now. We're just talking about tangential acceleration, acceleration in the direction you're going, or opposite to it. And finally, you're not likely to encounter this, but you can have an acceleration that isn't constant, because if this is not changing by the same amount every time, like 1 to 4 to 9, this is changing by 3, changing by 5, changing by 7, that's not a constant acceleration. That has a changing acceleration, and so you wouldn't be getting that from constant forces. I hope that makes measuring acceleration in meters per second squared a little less mysterious.